Hello guys, welcome back to a new Gril Tech video. In today's video, we are going to be seeing how to turn on dark mode, like full dark mode. One person called, I think, Book Love, asked me this in last video's comments, so that I'm making this video now. Okay. We are going to go through two methods with and without the extension. Okay, let's get started. First method, you need to type in Chrome. This is it. Okay. Type this in. Hit enter. Okay. Warning, experimental features ahead. Wait. Why is this coming already? Okay, we don't know why. But you need to search for force dark. Yes, this thing. Oh, it is already enabled. No. Oh. I kept it in enabled, but I did not relaunch Chrome. So for you, it would be in default. You need to click enabled and then click relaunch. So I'll quickly relaunch it. Okay, guys. So now it has restarted. So see, I got dark mode. Let's search something. Let's go to Scratch. Yes. Load faster. Oh yes, dark mode in Scratch. This is impossible. This is impossible. I like it, but oh, what is this? This is experimental, so okay. See inside. Let me see if I get dark mode for the editor. Okay. Sorry for the delay. You can skip to method 2 if you want. Wait. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay. Yes. Now for method 2, I'll just quickly disable this. Okay guys, for method 2, you need to go to chrome.google.com/web store. Let's hit enter. Okay. Yes, it's loading. Yeah. Now you need to search for dark reader. This thing. Okay, dark reader. I have already added it. Yes, it's so I'll remove it. I don't need this. Add to Chrome. You need to click add to Chrome, add extension. See, they gave images. You just have it's totally dark. Yes. You can see the help here. So let's go to some random website. Let's see if this turns Scratch into dark. Okay, it turned it. Eh, this looks totally different. It changed the select color too. I like it. Let's go to my profile. It's dark. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.